Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can combine the files in Adobe Express. So let's just start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after opening the Google Chrome we have to open the Adobe Express. So as you can see, I've already opened it. Now simply we need to go to the document section. As you can see, here's the document section, so we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, here's the option for the combine files, so we need to click on this, and after clicking on this we need to select the file, that which files we want to combine. So I'm going to select those files. Let's see, I'm going to select this one, and after selecting this we have to click on the open, and after clicking on the open it will take few seconds or few minutes in opening the file. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So let's see. So as you can see, the file is here. Now it's loading again. It will take few seconds. As you can see, all the options are here. It will load. It will take few seconds, and the page numbers are also provided. As you can see, now we have to select that which files we want to combine, or we have to create a new file. For example, I want this one, and I'm going to select this. Let's click on this, and now I want this one again, so let's click on this. If you want to delete this or rotate this, you can also do that. And I want this one, so I have selected this. As you can see, now it's done, and now simply I have to click on the download, and after clicking on the download it will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading, and the new file will be generated from these three. So in this way you can combine files and create a new file. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this on Adobe Express. So see you guys in the next video.